हेलो गाइस, आज मैं आपके लिए 10 ऐसे प्रोवर्ब्स लेकर आई हूँ जो आप डेली लाइफ में फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज़ करते हैं। द फर्स्ट प्रोवर्ब इज़ हर चमकने वाली चीज़ सोना नहीं होती. ऑल दैट ग्लिटर्स इज़ नॉट गोल्ड. The proverb, all that glitters is not gold, means that something may not be as beneficial or as valuable as it appears. Means just because of something appears to be good or valuable does not mean that it truly is. The second proverb is जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. As you sow, so shall you reap. The meaning of this proverb can be described by following example. A boy spent years to avoid paying taxes and now he is facing nearly 10 years in prison for it. So we can say as you sow, so shall you reap. The third proverb is अपना अपना पराया पराया. Blood is thicker than water. We can understand meaning of this proverb with the help of following example. When you get into trouble, usually your family will be the ones to bail you out, not your friends. The fourth proverb is जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं. Barking dogs seldom bite. The meaning of this proverb can be explained by the example. A person who used to talk unnecessarily, wasting his own time and others' time, never does anything worth of its time. The fifth proverb is डूबते को तिनके का सहारा. A drowning man catches at a straw, meaning even the smallest of the thing can help those in dire needs. The sixth proverb is एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. It takes two to make a quarrel. Example, two parties involved in a disagreement, argument, or fight are usually both responsible in some way. The sixth proverb is जाके राखो साइयाँ मार सके ना कोई. He whom God steers sails safely. Example, one who is protected by God cannot be harmed or killed by anyone. The seventh proverb is समझदार को इशारा काफ़ी. A word to the wise is enough. Example, a brief warning or explanation is enough for an intelligent person. The eighth proverb is गरीबी में आटा गीला. Misfortunes seldom come alone. Example, bad things or situations always comes in group or streaks. They never come in a single war. The ninth proverb is कर भला हो भला. Light reflects light. Example, when you do good, God does you good. The 10th proverb is दाम बनाए काम. Money makes the mayor go. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and comment.